Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my tube. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been doing this work for 41 years in private practice. I know what goes on behind the scenes of IRS. Like I said, when you're a teaching instructor and they elevate you to that, you know everything there is to know about IRS. I watch a lot of these YouTubes and I understand that a lot of you are shopping. I just want you to know there is a lot of garbage out there, and be suspect to people. I'm telling you, if people have worked for IRS, you kind of need to listen to them. Anyway, I've worked thousands of cases, literally have a whole team of former agents. I've been on the national news a lot. Just go to my website at 777irs.com. You can learn all about me there. Don't let IRS revoke your passport. Don't let IRS suspend your passport. Let me just tell you what IRS does. About 8 years ago, IRS slipped this legislation through all these little bills that Congress comes up. They're going to close the country up, and then they slip these bills in. That's what they do every couple 3 months. It's amazing. That's why they don't go ahead, as you know. That's why they don't go ahead and just pass a bill to fund it all the time, because they want to slip bills in. Anyway, they put in the FAST Act, FAST, and they say it's a really fast thing. What they did at that time, if you owed over 52,000, they would suspend. Now it's 59,000. What they will do, they will suspend your passport. They will suspend, revoke, or deny your passport. I get a lot of calls to this. People have funerals. People got to go to weddings. People go on vacations. You want to get your passport back. You really need to call us. We can get it back probably the fastest of anyone. What you have to do, first of all, IRS filed a federal tax lien on you. If you have a power of attorney on file, they only send you the 508C letter. That's the notice. And within 90 days, if you don't respond to this time-sensitive letter, you're going to have to put in for a new passport. Because at the end of that 90 days, IRS lets the State Department know they've revoked, suspended, or denied your passport. So anyway, call us. We could go ahead. We know the process to get that. By the way, IRS is going to want your financial statement. That's what they need to do. 433F, and at that point they're either going to put you in currently non-collectible, a payment agreement, or you can file for an offer. But it all depends on your financial statement. Don't go rushing off and do this if you do not know what IRS is going to do. Many people say, hey, they called me and said, oh man, I made a mistake. I called IRS. I got this huge payment agreement I can't keep. Well, I'm warning you, if you don't know what you're doing, don't call IRS, because it's not going to come out well for you. Anyway, if you need me, call me. You can email me. If you have any questions, just let me know. When you call my office, you speak directly to me. I pick up the phone. I am my own secretary. Anyway, thank you very much. Give me a subscription. I appreciate you listening. Thank you.